Introduce highlight features or overview summary of DDKUN Cordless Lawn Edger, bare tool only. There are features include Cordless Edger with brushless motor. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, this cordless lawn edger delivers strong output and extended runtime for reliable, efficient operation. Compatible with DEWALT 20 volts battery. This cordless edger compatible with DEWALT 20 volts lithium-ion batteries, giving professionals who already own a DEWALT 20 volts battery the flexibility to use their preferred battery. Pay attention! Bare tool only. 8.6-inch steel cutting blade. Durable high-strength steel blade designed for clean, precise edging and consistent cutting. Built to handle tough lawn conditions with smooth, accurate results. Multiple adjustment. With 3 cutting depth settings and a 4-position rear guide wheel, offering flexible control for different lawn conditions and edging needs. Ergonomic design. Designed for comfort and ease of use, featuring an adjustable handle for improved grip and reduced fatigue during operation, ensuring better control and a more comfortable working experience. If you want to get full features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.